My Sabinus person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video to reach you. I welcome you to Favors blog, and we bring you Open Heavens devotional in Pidgin English for Sunday, will be the 13th day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, friend of God. Our Bible reading they come from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 from verse 1 go shook body enter 7. Make we read together. I don't need to write on about how to help God people with the Jerusalem, because I know say una won't help them. I'd always boast give Macedonia people say una way they Akia, they always want help, and una done ready to give money since last year. And the way una they want help don't make some of them want help too. But I dey send these brothers come meet una to make sure say una dey ready. As I don tell them before, say una don already collect money. Say make una don't let shame catch me as I dey boast about una. But if anybody from Macedonia follow me come meet una, then e see say una never ready to give, shame go catch us and no go come talk too much, because we trust una. Na im make me beg these brothers, make them call go for my front before the time go reach, and make them help una arrange the money wey una promise, so that una go do am with una mind and nobody go force una. Na wetin I dey talk be this: person wey plant small go harvest small, but the person wey plant plenty go harvest plenty. Make each of una give as e plan for im mind, not be with regret like say dem dey force am, because God love person wey dey give with happiness. Our memory verse for today they come from Genesis chapter 14 verse 20. We will read that together. Make all praise be the Most High own, the one wey deliver your enemies put for your hand. Abraham can give Melchizedek one out of every 10 things when he bring come back from the war. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I get one very close friend will be president of one country. One day I call ask her, say, you don't be president for almost 7 years, and you never give me anything since. He call look me say, you never ask me anything now. Now I tell her, say, friends no they ask. If we be friends, I don't need to ask you. Friend they always to give to each other friend, even without the person asking. When two people will love their self, they gum body together, say they won't marry, and no exchange of gift dey between two of them, no matter how that gift small reach, that love get question mark. Because one of the major ways to demonstrate love na to give. We see down for John 3 verse 16, where we say, as a God give his only begotten son for us. Many people they claim to be God friends, but from their reaction when it come to giving to God, you go realize say they not be really friends of God. Real friends of God no go wait until they make announcement for offering where they want give to God before they go give God. Real friends of God, they always dey look for ways to take give to God because of how much when they know say he love them. I remember one time when I go preach for one church some years ago, and everybody for the congregation just dey sharp, their steez high. As you dey look them, you fit tell say, God don't really bless these people. I call the think say, these people they blessed too. Now then the minister for the altar call say, offering time or more, you need to see the joy for the whole auditorium, as all of them they clap, they shout. And then God could tell me, say, this now why they always they bless them so much, because they give to me cheerfully. Those who they always dey happy to give God, and those who they don't need to they beg or they force before they go give God, they always they enjoy abundant blessings. God they see them as he really friends them. So you know they bother to wait for them to ask before they give them anything. We see David for Bible. David na man when we say he dey always the one give to God. So take a cut up and say 1 Chronicles chapter 21 verse 24 say, he no go ever give God anything wey not cost am something. That's anything we won't give God must cost am something. As a result of this thing, God say he go give her everything when he ever wants, and if he even wants more, he for still give her. 2 Samuel chapter 12 verse 8. I go show us this one. He not ever let David lack anything, because David na a real G. God not ever ask Abraham for tithe for inside Genesis chapter 14 verse 20 before Abraham give God. Nowadays, even after God don talk, we say Malachi chapter 3 from verse 10 go reach 12 say, make we bring our tithe come in house. Some Christians go still dey argue about whether they go pay tithe or not. Such Christians, they only dey pretend to be friends of God. Our reflection for today be say, you be really friend of God. You and God una be G. You be God pali. Now here we take on to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say the topic we will consider today, now friend of God. And we take this message from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional. Open Heavens Daily Devotional, na book will be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And I for top this your ogbonge channel, Favors Blog. Now you take listen to today's message. We want to thank all our subscribers, everybody they watch our video all the time. Thank you very much. But I beg, if you never subscribe, do the needful. And to all our subscribers, also help us like this video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we will drop message or video, you could be one of the first persons to know say better don't share. Make it better for you, my correct person.